Well, John, we've got those colder temperatures. We got the snow. Some kids had a snow day today. It's nice.
It is.
It's nice.
It is. If you really like the snow,
Yeah.
Snowmobilers, skiers, loving it.
Heard a lot of snowmobilers this weekend.
Feet of snow here
Yep.
is a little bit further north of here, and we're not done. We got more on the way. There it is. Let's go ahead and get you outside. Satellite and radar, we're adding a little bit more of a northerly component to the wind. So there it is over the past 3 hours. You can slowly start to see some of these lake effect snow showers moving a little bit more due south, at least compared from the northwest we were talking about yesterday. So Traverse City particularly, and even areas near Kalkaska, Antrim counties, you've been talking about more of these lake effect snow showers. Still thinking areas a little bit further west of US 131 as you're going towards Mason County and even going into Lake County and even towards Wexford County, Missaukee County. You're going to be seeing a few of these good bands moving through over the next few hours. So that includes areas near Grayling, Cadillac, Manistee. We'll be watching you at least going into the rest of this evening. Here's a look at the current alerts that you still do have out in play. Your legend right there at the top of your screen. So anywhere you do see the pink on the map, that's where we do talk about the winter storm warning. In the purple shadings, we're talking about the winter weather advisory. So areas near the Grand Traverse Bay, that's where we really have been seeing more of these lake effect snow bands, and even still some of those southern communities where those bands are continuing to move throughout these next few hours. That's what we'll talk about at least throughout the rest of a Monday. Still with a little bit more of the northerly component to the wind as you're going west of the Sioux. You got that wind coming right off of Lake Superior. So areas for us, especially right there near Luce County and even going into western Chippewa County, you still talk about the winter weather advisory. So that's what we'll have out there for you at least for the rest of today. Let's go ahead and run you through the model. As we're going past the midnight hour, still a little bit more of that northerly component to the wind, but it's not going to be sticking around. As we go past midnight, this is Tuesday morning, slowly seeing that change in the wind direction, a little less favorable for the lake effect snow as we get into the day on Tuesday. So any snow showers that develop towards midnight tonight, the wind's pretty much just going to pick it up and going into the day tomorrow because that wind direction as we're going throughout tomorrow, a little bit more from the west-southwest. Now this is going to be later into Tuesday evening. We're going to call this system snow, a clipper system moving in from the northwest. All of us are going to have the chance for some light snow past midnight Tuesday into our Wednesday morning. Pay attention to where we do have some of those darker blues right near the straits. That could be some lake enhancement as we get into the day on Wednesday. So this is what we will be watching for some more accumulating snow as we're getting into midweek. And you probably, with traveling over the past several days, have encountered a lake effect snow shower or two. Just some good tips on the roadways. If you do encounter that lake effect snow, watch for that low visibility. It changes very quickly. Try to avoid cruise control and use your low beam headlights to make yourself that much more visible. Let's talk numbers past midnight tonight. It's chilly. There it is. Areas here, eastern upper tip of the mid near the straits. 25 tonight. Kinross and the Sioux, we got you in the mid-teens past the midnight hour. Bundle up accordingly. Western lower, there's a look at your numbers. Even still, some mid-teens as you go a little bit farther inland. Lake City, Kalkaska, 19 tonight. Gaylord back near 17 starting off your Tuesday morning. Same deal into eastern lower away from the lakeshore. More teens there. Mile 17 tonight. West Branch 19. Alpena back near 23 starting off your Tuesday morning. Central lower, there it is, some low 20s as we get you into a Tuesday with that snow chance still moving in from the north. We'll still watch it for you late tonight. Clare 20 degrees. White Cloud also back near 20 as we do start off your Tuesday. So regardless if you see the snow or not, numbers for all of us, at least starting off the day, we're below freezing. Remember that for elevated surfaces such as bridges, overpasses, those still do have the chance to be a little bit slick. Numbers for tomorrow as we get into your Tuesday. We'll talk about some low to even a few mid-30s as we get into the afternoon. So road treatments by the afternoon should be a little bit more effective. There it is into the next 7. Clipper system Wednesday, and then we're back into the lake effect with the cooler numbers for your Thursday, at least by the weekend, Katie. It does look like we got some drier skies. Back to you.
All right, John, thank you.